guys, welcome to another video, and welcome to another reaction. Today I'm gonna reaction to Impossible David Lopez videos. I've done this freaking video before. This is the 16. I don't want to do that. That's too long. Well, I could do half of it. Okay, let's do. Okay, David Lopez Impossible Challenge. I'm gonna go through half of it.
Revlon Super Lustrous, the world's most iconic lipstick with
It is
microfine
gonna be a little loud.
for high impact color. Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in 82 on-trend shades. You hold the power. Choose love. Revlon.
Yeah, Revlon. What's that? I don't know. Let's do this.
We need you back. I'm dirty people.
What a virus.
Starting tomorrow. Dinner tonight? Let me call David.
Yeah, that's not even. Okay, we're gonna do another one. We're gonna do Impossible Fails. Some of these have virus. I don't know. You know, these are working just because I'm recording. Jesus Christ. Okay, we're gonna do the trying to live challenge funny cat and dog fails. I think that's what it said. Wow, that sucks. Sucks to be you. How do you just leave yourself getting hurt? That's so scaredy cat. Oh, I get it. He popped it. Aww. Oh, you wanna fight? Fight. That dog is energetic. Wow. You wanted a squirrel. Oh, that's rude. That's so rude. Oh, that's so sad.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
How do you do that? That's freaking awesome. How long is this? Let's see. 10 minutes out of time. Aww. Oh.
Michelle, where do you live? Aurora. Where does Michelle live?
Do you see the eyes?
If you stop fighting, I'll give you a treat. I'll never let go. I promise.
Okay, guys, I'll stop there. That was pretty funny and kind of cute at the same time. Hope you liked this video. Make sure to drop a like or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next reaction video.